I want to revisit the basic option. I did a previous video on them, but I think we need to discuss a little more. So in file option, general, don't forget to put the date format you want and make sure you get the hour visible if you're working in hours. In the display, not much to change depending on the currency and calendar you want to use, but it should be Gregorian calendar. In schedule, so what is the starting day of the week you want? The date, default start time. So in my case, I like to work, or I'm usually working on 12-hour shifts. So from 6 to 18, number of hour per day, hour per week, day per month. Here in that schedule option, I prefer decimal. By default, it's going to be in percentage, and find it weird to see my resource in percentage versus a number of people. And then if you want those setup or those basic setup to apply to all new project, make sure you're in auto schedule instead of the default option, which is manually scheduled. Then here, I prefer my duration in and work in hours. Here, default task type. By default, it's in fixed unit. I never work in fixed unit. I usually work in fixed duration and or fixed work, and it's gonna change the behaviors when you managing resources, and we're gonna take a look at that in a future video. Then move on to, well, proofing, depending on the language you're using, the autosave option, the language you have set up, and in advance, make sure you get the auto filter on for new project. Some people sometimes lost that feature, the number of undo you want to keep. And by the way, for the auto filter, if you lose it, just go into the view and the filtering option, and you can put back the auto filter feature. If you want to get some basic rate, and there's some other advanced option for display, for hyperlink, and the way you want to track the project.